Hello. In this presentation, I want to present the project which we did all together. Here we have the app.js. We firstly installed all these dependencies or packages we need for this project. Here is the security layer of our website. We installed them in the terminal and we import them here. Here we install the Mongoose, which is the connection to the MongoDB, and we implement that here. Here we define our routes here. We have index router, questions router, users routers. We have all them here. We define them and we access them here. We set up our template engine. We use the AJS here, and we try to set up the express session, which is one of the requirements for authentication. We initialize passport. It's another requirement for authentication. We initialize the flash. To get the error if the user is not already exit, or if the user exit with the wrong password or doesn't register, we can get the error here. We try to create instance of the model. We have a user model here inside the models, and inside the models we have the user. Here we have implement the authentication strategy here. We did that, and serialize and deserialize the user information. We did that here, and we try to redirect the route here. We have index router, we have questions router, we have the user routers here. So these are our errors. We have 404 errors and 500 error. Let's go to the website. If the user wants to log in, here here is the survey page. If I try to add a survey, let's put the title like Centennial we have in the add page we have the title and the details. If I submit that, it's here, it's added in the page. If I try to edit that, if I try to add another question like do you like it, and this is the question type, like let's go for yes or no question. Yes, add to the survey. If I do you like it? Yes. Submit. Submit it. If I go back and yes, it's the title is Centennial. Centennial is the best college in the Toronto. It's the details. Do you like it? Is the yes or no question. So if I try to delete that, it's coming with the alarm message, JavaScript alarm message, that are you sure? If I press OK, it's gone. So the full crowd is working here. So that's it. Thank you.